Alright, we're doing these Ninebot GoKart Pros, and that's what it looks like from the back. We're going to give them a little test run at night, but if you can see, let me turn off my light right here. Hold on 1 second. You see it changes the colors down there, and it's got these white LEDs, which is pretty, you can see pretty good, but we have extra lighting. But what I wanted to show is the different variations of sound. So let me turn this back on here real quick. Okay, and we have a speaker right here, so this is really cool how you turn it on. Sounds like a car starting. Connects to Bluetooth. There we go. We have different levels or different sounds. That's my favorite right here. Then we got that one. And every time you rev the engine, it changes, and like the RPMs are changing. That one's kind of corny. That one's kind of cool. It's like a space sound, and we'll test them all. All right, so we're gonna start with this one. So as you can see, you're gonna get back on. I mounted a light on my son's right there. It's pretty bright. When you push the gas, is that cool or what? So we'll give a couple little drives around and we'll change the sounds. Son's putting the safety belt on, so he's got that one it's like a hot rod Indy race car driving sound. Alright, move forward, and I'm gonna do my thing. These things are fast, guys. That's all I can tell you. What's that? Oh. And I'm 5'11", and so is my son, except he's like 160, 170-ish tops. I'm 215, so they really book with me on it. I'm just gonna go up and down. You can do what you want to do. There you go. He goes. Okay. Anyways, here I go. Whoa. And see, as you slow down, it changes sounds. This is so cool. There's my son there, zipping around. You got that green headlight on the vehicle itself. Now we'll change sounds. And we'll go with this one. This one sounds sick, like a broken car. This one, that one's just yucky. And then you can, if you got your phone with you, you can play music through Bluetooth, and I'll show you that as well. It sounds pretty good. All right, here's the space one. It's weird, man, because it makes sounds and it just like disappears, and you're just cruising. Pretty cool. And the brakes, they said, some people said the brakes weren't that good, but I think they're great. Okay, we'll go with a different sound. Okay, this one's kind of cool. I'll change the other sound. He's putting it to the test. And then this is the other one I like here. I love how it sounds like it's changing gears. Pretty cool, huh? And I'll do a full review with everything, but these things are amazing, folks. It's lots of fun, and yeah, check it out. I can't put the music and record on my phone at the same time, but you get the drift. Nice volume. You can jam out music too, but I like the sounds. Is that her stick? Her evil stick? You did. I guess you can't really see me in selfie mode. We got that light on. Oh well, that didn't work. Oh.